long-term sustainability of the future workforce may increasingly depend on how seriously we respond to their reality now. So in other words, and the picture I painted for you is the reality of young South Africans. Now layer onto that up to 90% of South Africans who go looking for mental health care, in other words, they get past all the stigma, the fear, and they go and knock on the door of somebody to help them, will not be helped, right? It varies a bit between the public and the private sector, but the bottom line is there is no help out there. And human beings have evolved over a lot of time to adapt to certain levels of stress, to be able to recover from that, to form the social connections they need, extrapolate meaning out of what's happening to them, and use that to cope with the challenges that life or that life throws at you. But no one evolved for the speed that we are living under now, right? If you think back 30 years ago, the internet didn't even exist. But working in a modern environment is the opposite to what we developed for. Today, people have to operate in environments that are characterized by constant digital interaction. We're all dealing with information overload.